morning, students. Here I will teach you about plants so useful for the student of class 2 science, and we have completed lesson 1, and here we will learn about plant so useful. Plant so useful. Plants are the neighbor of us. It is very important because plant make their food, and they are also called autotrophs and primary producer. Plants are called primary producer because plant makes their food by their own. So plants are called primary producer autotrophs, and plants give us food, so plants are very useful. Plant gives us food, so plants very useful. Plants so useful because plant gives fruit, dry fruit, vegetables, cereals and pulses, spices, oil, fiber, tea and coffee. So plants are useful for us. Here we know about plants gives us fruit. Plant give us fruit such as banana, apple, guava, grapes. Banana, apple, guava, grapes and other many fruits which are obtained by plants, and plants gives fruit, and fruit, the uses of fruits is like cake, juice, jellies. Fruits are obtained by plants, and the example of fruits is known as that bananas, apple, guava, grapes. These are example of fruits, and fruits are used to make cake, juice, jellies and jam. These are the uses of fruits. Dry fruits. Dry fruits are also obtained by plants such as almond, pistachio, walnut. These are the dry fruits which is obtained by plants, and the uses of dry fruits in biscuit, cakes and some sweets. To making some sweets are also used by dry fruits, and almonds, pistachios, walnuts, these are called dry fruits. Dry fruits are eaten raw, and there are many nutrients, energy which is obtained by dry fruits, and dry fruits are obtained through the plants. And vegetables are obtained by plants, and there are many forms of vegetables which is eaten by us, such as flowers, roots, stem and leaves. Flowers are many uses in the form of vegetables, such as cauliflower, broccoli. These are the vegetable flowers which are obtained by plants. And roots are also obtained from the vegetable which is related to the plants, and the form of roots which is eaten by us, which is gained by us, such as root, sweet potato, turnip, radish, carrot. These are the example of roots which are obtained from the vegetable through the plants. So flowers and roots both are related to the vegetable which are obtained through the plants. And stem. What is stem? Stem are also provided through the vegetables, and such as onion, potato, ginger. These are called stems, and they are obtained from the vegetables, and vegetables are obtained from the plants. Leaves are also used in form of vegetables, such as lettuce, spinach, mustard seed, methi leaves. These are the example of leaves which are related to the vegetables. Flowers, root, stems and leaves, they are obtained from vegetable, and they are related to the plants. Flower attract to the insect through their color. Root, it attract root support to the plant from getting water and minerals. For getting water and minerals, plants support roots, and stem support to the all parts of the vegetables or parts of the plant, which is provide the all branches, and these are related to the plants and vegetables, and onion, potato and gingers are the example of stems. Leaves. Leaves, lettuce, spinach, mustards and methi leaves. These are the example of leaves and obtained from the vegetables. Next, cereals and pulses. Both are obtained through the plants, cereals and pulses. They are most common uses for the humans. Cereals is the grain seed such as rice, wheat, barley. These are the called cereals, and this is the major uses to us cereals, and these are related to the plants. Pulses. Pulses such as pea pulses, gram pulses, and we use lentil for such the moong dal and etc. These are related to the pulses and which are obtained through the plants. Spices. What is spices? Spices are used for the flavor, taste and the color of food, and some spices are used for by us, just such as cumin, pepper, black pepper, turmeric, ginger. These are the example of species, and spices are used for the flavor, taste and color of the food. And oil. Our next parts of the plants, oil. Oil are also obtained through the plants and which is related to the plant's crop, and such as mustard, soybean, sunflower, sesame. Mustard, soybean, sunflower, sesame. These are the example of oils by which they provide oils through their seed. And next part of the plant which is provide us fiber. Fiber are provided through the fibers are provided by plants, and these fibers are made of cellulose. Fibers are made of cellulose, and there are two kinds of fiber. First, natural fiber, and second, synthetic fiber. First, natural fiber, and second, synthetic fiber. Natural fiber, that fiber which are obtained by the nature, is called natural fiber. Natural fiber natural fiber, that fiber which are obtained by the nature, which are obtained through the nature, is known as the natural fiber, such as jute, wool, silkworm, cotton. These are called natural fiber. Nature, which is gained by the nature. Nature provides such natural fiber, which are called natural fiber. Synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber, that fiber which are provided by, which are made by human, it means man-made. Synthetic fiber is called man-made, it means it is provided by human. That fiber which is obtained through the human, it means it is made by human, is called synthetic fiber. And so nylon, acrylic and polyester, these are the example of synthetic fiber which are obtained through the human beings. It means it is made by human. So these are the explained to your lesson of lesson 2, plant so useful. Plant so useful, it means plants are called autotrophs, primary producer, and they obtain fruits, dry fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses, spices, oil, tea and coffee. It means further we classified into many forms. So here our lesson 2 going to end. Thank you.